Here's our cash flow statement, and we're starting off with our profit before tax, and you should have got this figure. As you can see, the profit before tax figure is 142. Also, you should have got the figure for depreciation that's given in the question. We don't have any calculations to do in relation to that. The amortization of intangibles, we have to do a calculation for. Let's leave that for the moment. We're just taking what information is in the question that we can put directly into our cash flow. Finance cost. The finance cost in the question, there is a finance cost, a figure of 40. If you like, you can put a plus in front of these so that will remind you that these are added. And the investment income in the question, as you can see there, is a figure of 20. As regards the movements in working capital, we have to work out figures there for the increase in our receivables, the change in our payables and inventory. We'll come to them in a few moments' time. As regards investing activities, payments for plant and equipment, you'll find that in this question we know the opening balance, we know the closing balance, and we have to do workings in order to actually get at that figure. Proceeds from disposal of plant, we're told there was no plant disposals during the year. Purchase of investments, again we have to look at the movement between our opening investments, any changes in fair value and any purchase to arrive at our closing. So we'll do that separately. As regards investment income received, we're given no further information, so we can take it that the investment income received is as per the question. Financing activities, again you'll see that issue of shares, there's no information so far in the question of that. Loan repaid, loan issue, no information on that. Equity dividend paid. We're given there that there was a 5-cent dividend paid on the 1st of July. So if we go along, we can actually do some workings on this, but let's not do the workings. All we're trying to do is to look at what information is in the question, what can we immediately fill in that doesn't cause us any workings. I would also look at my opening cash. Now this is in the question. The opening cash, as you can see there, is given there. There's opening cash, a figure of 35 at the start of the year. Now also notice in this question that there is opening bank overdraft. There's an opening bank overdraft of 40. So I have minus 40. So at the start of the year, I have opening cash. I essentially have a net figure of minus 5. And at the end of the year, I have cash, and the cash figure is nil. And as you can see, I have at the end of the year, I have a bank overdraft, which is 25. So notice there that my opening cash was minus 5, my closing cash is minus 25. Therefore, there was a decrease in cash. There's a decrease in cash, as you can see, of minus 20.